What's up, everybody? Looking at the Kingbolen S500 scanner. This is a touchscreen and it has buttons. This scanner has 4 systems: ABS, SRS, ECM, TCM, and a bunch of resets. So if you have a check engine light, ABS light, airbag light, transmission light, maintenance light, this can help you out. All you gotta do is plug the connector in that it comes with. The scanner will identify your vehicle quickly. It'll tell you if your check engine light's on, how many trouble codes are in your computer. It'll tell you how your monitors are doing, if they're complete or not. That's really good for smog, your ignition type, and your protocol type. Super quick. Also, this is kind of unique. It has a brightness adjustment. I haven't seen that on scanners. And also in that same drop-down menu, there is a screen record. So if you're dealing with an intermittent issue, you could look at the data and have it recorded in case something's cutting out. That's really nice. And then also it has the battery voltage on the top always, which is kind of cool. I've never seen that on a scanner, so that's also a nice little feature. Alright guys, so let's take a look at some diagnosis. I have a 4Runner here with a check engine light on. I got the check engine reduced power. I'm going to go ahead and plug in the connector that comes with the scanner, plug it into my DLC. Let's hit Diagnostics. Diagnostics will go deeper into the computer. We'll hit auto scan, and it's going to verify the car's VIN, and then based off the VIN, it's going to have more information available to you as opposed to like a generic OBD2 scanner. Let's go to system selection. I'm going to go to powertrain and then engine. I'm going to read these engine codes. Let's see what we got. Mass airflow sensor and air intake temperature circuit high. A bunch of MAF sensor codes. And basically what I did is I went and popped the hood and looked at the MAF sensor, and the person who changed the air filter last left the sensor undone. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug this back in. Okay. And then we're going to go back in, and we're going to turn off the check engine light. You could drive, but sometimes it takes a while for it to go off. So we're just going to turn it off with the scanner here. It just says, "Are you sure you want to clear?" We clear it, and then it's gone off of the dash. It's been cleared. Good. And you could go deeper into it. If you want to do a health report, it'll scan the whole vehicle, all the computers available, and then it'll tell you if there's any issues or codes or trouble codes, whatever, with any of the modules that I could talk to. And then it's mostly limited to the 4 systems, but it's a ton of information, especially when you do auto scan. It'll go deeper and give you more PID data. There's also a maintenance function where you could reset your oil light or your brake light. You could disengage the electronic e-brake. It holds pretty well in your hand. I like the design. It's nice. Just powers on and off with the power button. And then also has a additional charging port right here, and then a spot for an SD card for your videos and pictures. So this is available on Amazon. It's the Kingbolen S500. I'll have it linked below. As of this video, Black Friday is a couple days away, so check out the Black Friday deal. It's $169 regular price, but it ships quickly, and then when it arrives, you got a nice package. You open it up, and it's packaged very nice. It comes in a very nice box. Open it up here. It comes neatly packaged. You get the scanner itself, S500. Comes with a manual to show you basically all kinds of stuff, all kinds of extra features I didn't really get into, but it has, like, even the scanner itself has tutorials on how to do stuff. It comes with the DLC cable, has a charging cable, and it just comes ready to go. You boot it on. They recommend you do an update right away, and you're good to go.